In this video, I'm going to show you how to make baby face TikTok video from any photo. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. In order to do that, I'm gonna use CapCut app, so if you haven't downloaded and installed it yet, go to App Store and install that app first. Once you did that, just open it up and then right here hit at that big plus sign where it says new project. Now here at that tab you have to hit add photos because that tool actually works just with photos, and now you have to scroll down and select any photo from your photos gallery. You can just check mark those photos and then hit on add to add that photo on that timeline. Now you can hit right here at that bar, then hit add style, and now you can drag this toolbar until you find baby face filter. Here it is. Now I can tap on that and wait until generating to complete. It takes not so much time, up to 10, maybe 20 seconds, and after that you can see the result here. If you like the result, you can continue editing that video. You can hit a check mark, then you can increase or decrease duration of that frame. You can add here some other media like photo or video. You can add there some text, and once you finished with that video you can just hit right there at share icon, and after that video file will be exported to your photos gallery. You can hop out CapCut, go to your photos, and here it is. You can tap on that to see that result. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.